Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is a tutorial on how to use the G12 USB network sharing feature. The video is divided into three main parts. What products will be used in this test? How to wire the setup. How to display the output. What products will be used in this test? The products used in this test are SkyDroid G12 CU-AV7 Nano and C-A8 Mini. The cables used are A8 Mini Video Output Signal Cable, A8 Mini Power Cable, G12 Telum Plus SBUS Cable, G12 Power Cable, 7 Nano Power Module and a USB cable. How to wire the setup. The connector of the A8 Mini is GH1.259 pin, and the connector of the G12 LAN port is GH1.254 pin. The A8 Mini Video Output Signal port is connected to the LAN port of the G12. The connector of the G12 is GH1.255 pin. The Telum 1 connector of the flight controller is GH1.256 pin, and the RC port of the flight controller uses a 2.543 pin DuPont connector. The data transmission port and SBUS output port of the G12 are connected to the Telum 1 and RC ports of the flight controller, respectively. The G12 receiver is powered on, and the G12 receiver connector is XT30. The 7 Nano is powered by the power module. The A8 Mini is powered by the power cable, which is SH1.254 pin. The remote control is turned on and connected to the computer via USB. How to display the output. In the remote control, we can see the normal output screen from the A8 Mini. Next, go to the remote control settings, click Network and Internet, then click Hotspot and Tethering. And enable USB tethering. On the computer, open QGC, click the application settings in the top left corner, find the communication connections and click Add. You can name it whatever you like. Select TCP for the type. And enter 192.168.45.1 for the address and 5760 for the port. Go back to the communication interface and click Connect to connect the flight controller to QGC on the computer. Continue by opening the application settings and enabling the rtsp video stream. Copy the A8 Mini's rtsp address into the field, then return to the flight interface, and you will see the A8 Mini's video feed. This concludes the tutorial on using the G12 USB network sharing feature. Thank you for watching. For more information, please stay tuned to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.